dividing algebraic fractions. Again, these look really hard. They're not so bad, alright? Let's have a look. Again, all it is really doing is just putting all the skills together that we've actually looked at. And let's just try and do those sort of one thing at a time. So let's have a look at this question here, right? So I've got some horrible looking fraction multiplied by some other horrible looking fraction, alright? So let's start off. There's different approaches that you could take here, but let's just see if there's anything obvious we can do. Now, when you multiply fractions together, you can actually cross cancel. So if I'm looking at these numbers to start off with, 3 over 9, I can cancel that straight away, 3 and 1. Alright? 64 and 16. Well, that's the same as, well, 16 goes into 64 4 times. So that's the same as 4 over 1. Yeah, that's making life much easier, okay? Let's just write out where we've got to. Okay, so I've got 4 times x cubed, so 4 times x to the 4 y squared, alright? And then I've got 3 times y times x squared times y squared, so that'll be 3x squared y squared. Now look at how this is just going to cancel out really, really nicely. So I've got 4 over 3, nothing. Look, y squared and y squared, those guys just go, and then I'm just going to have an x squared left. So I'm just going to have, look at all of that, right? Just goes to that. That just drops out really, really neatly. All it is just tying together all the things that we've done. All right. Remember, if you get stuck, just watch this through really carefully. All right. Right. Where on earth do we start with this? Wait a minute. What are these guys down here? Okay. They're quadratics. So let's start by focusing on these guys. Let's try and factorize these quadratics here. So look at this one here, x squared plus 6x plus 8. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite these two fractions, but I'm going to just rewrite these bits here. So what's this? This is 4 and 2, as I remember. I think it was one that we actually did. So it's going to look like this. Okay, remember you're looking for two numbers and multiply to give you 8, add together to give you 6. And then I've got, oh, wait a minute, I've just spotted something else there, nearly missed it. Can I factorise this? I can. 2 is a common factor. X plus 2. Okay, nearly missed that. And now let's try and do this bit. Two numbers that give me minus 8. So I know it's going to look, I know one's going to be a plus and one's going to be a minus. So because of that minus 8, that minus there. Two numbers multiplied together to give me 8, add together to give me 2. One of them's a minus. So therefore, it's got to be 4 and 2. And it's got to be that way round because I want plus 4 minus 2. Give me plus 2 there. Right, now, another way of spotting that you've done this is that lots of things will cancel. Alright, watch. Because it's all everything's multiplied. There's no adds, no taking away there, apart from like inside these bits, these terms. So those guys cancel. Okay. And that guy cancels like that one. So it leaves us with 2 over x plus 4 multiplied by x plus 4. I don't know about you. I'm going to write it like that. There you go. Right. Divide. What do you do with this? Right. When you divide a fraction, now this is, it's the same, but something slightly different. Right. When you divide fractions, you keep, change, flip. Keep, change, flip. It's just using the rules of when you deal with fractions. Okay. Now, once you get to that, so keep that one, change the sign, flip it. All right. Now, when you get to this stage, really, it's just the same as the previous question. I'm going to have a little look, see what we can do. So, can I do anything with that? Yes, you can. 3 is a common factor, so it'll be x plus 2. Right, there you go. Can I do anything with this? X minus 3 times x plus 3, difference of 2 squares. Now you got to remember, on these questions, there'll always be little marks for this sort of thing. And even if you look at this and you think, oh, I have no idea what to do here, and you recognise this, then just write that bit down, okay? Don't do anything with the rest of it. You might just get a mark for that. Same with this bit. So what do we got? We've got, oh, let's write that x plus 2 underneath. So two numbers are multiplied together to give me 3, add together to give me 4. Here we go, look, it's plus 3 and plus 1. And now you will see lots of things that are going to cancel out. They cancel. And they cancel. Right, now let's just tidy it up. Just don't really want to leave it like that. And we end up with that. It doesn't really, you can multiply that numerator out if you want to. I'd probably just leave it like that, that's fine. Okay, so they look hard. Yeah, okay, they're not straightforward, but you can try these questions. Alright, you can have a go. Do try them. Alright, you might just surprise yourself about what you can actually do there. Okay, so good luck with those.
If you enjoyed that video, please like and subscribe or leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. I've been RMS Maths and I'll see you next time. Maths out.